All right, ladies and gentlemen, back with another short Hallmark Clean Supply haul. Yes, first of all, I got to give an honor to God, who's the head of my life. Can't do this life without Him. And I hope all you guys are blessed out there. All right, we're going to jump right into this video real quick. As you can see, I got 2 gallons of Clorox bleach here. My goodness, every time I go to Walmart, this bleach is going up and up. Now it is $7 and some change. That is ridiculous. So over here, I got my Tide. This time I got it Downies. And I got my Downies here. So this, with what I already have in these two, I'm set for 3 months on detergent. So I don't have to buy that or the bleach. Now back here, guys, I got some oil lamps here. You know, because we always having power outages or all this craziness happening. So Walmart had these on sale for $13, guys. And this is how it looks out the box. Because let me be careful because I don't want to crop it here. This is how it look. Beautiful. And I put the oil down in here, you know, turn the flame on, and the oil, this amount right here would last for a month once you fill that up. I will be showing you the oil in a minute. But yeah, guys, those are awesome for power outages or grid down. You know, I do want to get 3 more of them. And I'm set because I don't have no little kids running around here. So I can place them and don't have to worry about them being touched. So that is a good idea if you guys are looking for some type of lighting. And also you can use those to save on your light bill. Of course. So I got this little ruler for my craft room. Seen that at Walmart. I thought it was cute. Basically, use it for a cutting board. Now, these boxes here I got at Kohl's. So me and my neighbor went to Kohl's this morning, and we got these storage boxes. Guys, isn't they gorgeous? Now, these were on sale for $7, guys. $7 here. Here's the other one. This one is beautiful. I can store my craft stuff in there. Love it. Now this one is a little bit deeper here, and I like that. Love that. Oh, wow. I can get a lot in there. So, and just right there, I put my pine cones in there. It smells real cinnamon in here. I love that smell during the fall. Guys, yes. You got the whole house smelling like cinnamon. Okay, over here is my Clorox cleanup. This is good, guys. It get rid of stains, everything on your counter. And especially it's good to clean the bathrooms. Perfect. Back there, got my Lysol spray. That Lysol is going up in price for sure. Got my Dawn dishwashing liquid. 2 of these, not bad. $6 for one. That wasn't bad. I like that price right there. This is for my canner rack that I put at the bottom of my uh 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 what is it? My canner. I'll show you guys in a minute. And to hold my jars when I get the cannon. Now these are the air fresheners that I got. Oh my God, guys. I done fell in love with this one. Done fell in love with this one. I love the fall scents in the fall time. Yes, we are. And then I got an extra 2 more just to put up. I love the linen and sky. Yes, this is the oil I was telling you guys about. Now, the oil was $5 at Walmart. Not bad. Once I fill that little dome up, that would last 1 month. This will probably give me 3 months for one jar. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm going to take you over here. I got my toilet paper. You know, The rows got bigger. So guys, I am loving these rows right here. Let me show you. That is humongous. One row would last me for a couple days. Not bad at all. So I got 2 of those. And that's not a bad price for that neither. It's like $11 at Walmart. Not bad. My pressure canner. Yes, finally got that. Found that on sale. Under $100, to be honest. So I'm liking that. It holds 16 quarts. Love it. So I'm going to enjoy canning with that. And that rack I showed you guys earlier, that goes in the bottom of that, which it came with the rack anyhow. And right there, just my green tea with ginseng and honey. Love drinking that. Put it in the refrigerator, let it get cold. Sometimes I freeze it, and then I have me a tea slushy. Awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. I told you it was going to be small, sweet, and short. Yes, it is. So I hope you guys stay strong out there. Keep your head up. Keep the faith. And stay safe out there, guys. And I will connect with you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And guys, the guys that suggested the spaghetti salad video, watch out for that because that is coming up pretty soon. Actually, I have a couple videos I got to get out. So, I'll be getting those out. So look out for those videos, guys. All right, guys. I will connect with you guys in my next video. You guys have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.